Students, we are doing mensuration. This is ICAC for class 10 mensuration. The first question is, a metal cube of side 11 centimeter is completely submerged in water contained in a cylindrical vessel with diameter 28 centimeter. Find the rise of the level of water. The formula is already been given previously. Let the rise in the level of water be H, and we know that the volume of H centimeter height water equal to volume of the cube, that means the water displaced. Therefore, volume of height of water with H centimeter will be pi r square into H. R means diameter by 2, r square in H equal to volume of the solid it will be 11 into 11 into 11 centimeter cube. After calculating, we will get 121 by 56 centimeter. Therefore, 121 by 56 centimeter equal to 2.16 centimeter. Therefore, rise in the level of water will be 2.16 centimeter. This is the answer. Next question, the sum of the height and the radius of a solid cylinder is 35 centimeter. Sum of height and radius H plus R will be 35 centimeter, and its total surface area is 3080 centimeters square. Find the volume of the cylinder. Let us think that the height be H centimeter and radius be R centimeter. Therefore, H plus R equal 35, because sum of height and radius is 35 centimeter. The total surface area, the formula is 2 pi r in bracket H plus R equal to 3080 centimeter square. Therefore, after calculating this and putting the value of H plus R is equal to 35 centimeter. 35 equal to 3080. So, R equal to 14 centimeter. Again, H plus R equal to 35 centimeter. So, H will be 35 minus 14, that is 21 centimeter. Therefore, volume formula is pi r square into H. Pi r square into H, that is 12,936 centimeter. This is the answer. Next question number 3. The total surface area of a solid cylinder is 616 centimeter square. Surface area, total surface area. If the ratio between its curved surface area and the total surface area is 1:2, find the volume of the cylinder. Let us also suppose now that the radius of the solid cylinder, this is S means solid cylinder be R centimeter and H centimeter be height be H centimeter. Therefore, total surface area formula is 2 pi r H plus R equal to 616 centimeter. This is continued up here. Here is the continuation. The curved surface area by total surface area, it is given 1:2. So, the curved surface area by total surface area, TSA means total surface area equal to 6 by 616 equal to half. Therefore, curved surface area equal to 308 centimeter square. Again, total surface area, TSA means total surface area equal to curved surface area plus 2 into area of the cross section. Total surface area equal to this. TSA equal to curved surface area plus 2 into area of cross section. Two cross sections are there. So 2 into cross section area of cross section equal to this equal to 308 centimeter square. Therefore, area of cross section equal to 154 centimeter square. Therefore, radius equal to, we know that R equal to this cross section, area of the cross section by pi, that is 7 centimeter. Therefore, total surface area TSA or this is equal to 616. Therefore, H plus 7, it is R equal to 7, because R is 7, H plus 7 equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore, height equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore, we find out the volume equal to pi r square h equal to 22/7 into r square into h is also 7. It is like this. This is the answer. Next, fourth question is that the two right circular cylinders have radii in the ratio 3:5 and heights in the ratio 2:3. Find the ratio between their curved surface area and the ratio of volumes. Let the radii be 3r and 5r because the ratio is 3:5, 3r and 5r, and ratio of height is 2:3, height is 2h and 3h. Therefore, ratio of curved surface area will be, this is the curved surface area of the first one, 2 pi r h, and that of also 2 pi r means this is, we have done it previously, r h. So it will be cancelled out into, it will be 2/5, that is 2:5. It is the ratio between the curved surface area, 2:5. And ratio of volume is pi r square into h. R is respectively this and h is respectively this. Pi r square into h, that is pi r square into h. It is, after cancelling we will get 6/25. Therefore ratio of the volumes will be 6 into 25. This is the answer number 2 and this is answer number 1. These are done from Selina's book. Remember Selina's book. Today up to this, next day we will do more. Thank you.